New NotebookLM update is insane. Google just dropped a secret weapon that nobody's talking about. NotebookLM went from cute note-taking app to absolute monster. They 20x the customization limit and it's completely free. I'm about to show you how to turn your boring documents into genius-level AI assistants. This is wild. All right, so December 4th, 2025, Google quietly released an update that's going to change everything. NotebookLM just expanded their chat customization from 500 characters to 10,000 characters. And I know what you're thinking, who cares about character limits, right? Wrong. This is massive because now you can turn NotebookLM into basically any expert you want. Product managers, teachers, scientists, SEO specialists, whatever you need, and it grounds every response in your documents. So no hallucinations, no made up facts, just pure, accurate insights from your own sources. Let me show you why this is absolutely insane. Before this update, you had 500 characters to describe what you wanted. That's like 2 sentences. You couldn't build detailed personas. You couldn't set specific formats. You couldn't create real expert level assistants. Now, 10,000 characters. That's enough to build incredibly detailed instructions with specific tone of voice, exact output formats, constraints and rules, everything you need to make AI actually useful. And here's the best part, it's completely free. No credit card, no subscription. Just go to notebooklm.google.com and you're ready. Now let me show you 3 examples that Google shared when they announced this update, and I'm going to demo these live so you can see exactly how powerful this is. First example is a ruthless product manager. This persona gives you decision memos. It looks at your documents and tells you what's actually going on with user evidence, feasibility checks, blind spots you missed, and contradictions in your data. It's like having a senior PM review everything you upload. Second example is a middle school teacher. This one breaks down complex topics into kid-friendly explanations. It gives you analogies, vocabulary lists, and true or false quizzes. Perfect for educators or anyone learning new subjects. Third example is a scientific researcher. This persona analyzes papers with academic rigor, giving you key findings, methodological strengths and weaknesses, and contradictions with proper citations. It's PhD level analysis without the PhD. Now I'm going to show you these in action, but first let me tell you how to access this. Go to notebooklm.google.com and upload your documents, PDFs, text files, whatever you have. Then click the gear icon in the chat and you'll see a custom prompt field. That's where the magic happens. That field now supports 10,000 characters instead of 500, and that's where you paste these detailed persona prompts. All right, let me show you demo number 1. The product manager persona, I uploaded a sample roadmap document, just a basic product features list. Now I'm pasting the exact prompt that Google shared. It tells the AI to act as a ruthless product manager, where every response must be a decision memo with user evidence bullets, feasibility checks, blind spots, and contradictions in a very specific format. Now I'm asking it to review the Q3 features and watch what happens. Boom. It gives me a full decision memo. The user evidence section shows which features customers actually asked for. Feasibility checks highlight which ones are realistic versus pipe dreams. The blind spots section points out what we're missing. And contradictions, it found 2 features that directly conflict with each other. This is insane. I just uploaded a document and got instant expert level analysis. No back and forth, no vague responses, just actionable insights. And this works because the AI is grounded in actual document. It's not making stuff up. It's analyzing what I gave it. Okay, demo 2, the middle school teacher persona. I grabbed a science textbook section about photosynthesis that's way too complex for most kids. I pasted the teacher prompt, which tells the AI to simplify everything, give analogies, create vocabulary lists, and add quizzes. I ask it to explain photosynthesis, and look at this output. First, a TLDR summary that's super simple, just plants make food using sunlight, then an analogy where photosynthesis is like a factory kitchen, the leaves are the kitchen, sunlight is the electricity, water and carbon dioxide are the ingredients, and glucose is the meal they cook. Brilliant. Then a vocabulary list with chlorophyll, glucose, and stomator, each term explained in simple language. And at the end, a true or false quiz asking if plants need sunlight to make food. This is perfect for educators or anyone trying to learn something new. It breaks everything down, makes it digestible, and adds interactive elements all from one prompt. Now, demo 3, the scientific researcher persona. I uploaded 2 biology research papers with dense academic stuff, methodology sections, and statistical analysis, the works. I pasted the researcher prompt, which demands formal academic analysis with key findings, with bold headers, strengths and weaknesses, and contradictions with citations. I ask about the methodology and watch this. It gives me a structured breakdown with a bold section for key findings, that lists the main methodological approaches from both papers, then a bold section for methodological strengths that points out robust sample sizes, proper control groups, and valid statistical tests, then a bold section for weaknesses that highlights potential confounding variables and limited generalizability. Then the best part, a bold section for contradictions. It compares both papers and shows where they disagree with exact citations. Paper 1 claims X, paper 2 claims Y, and these contradict on this specific point. This is PhD level analysis, and I got it in 30 seconds. Now here's what makes this update so powerful. You can adapt these prompts for anything. Marketing, create an SEO auditor persona that reviews your content, finds keyword gaps, and suggests improvements. Legal, make a contract analyzer persona that highlights risky clauses and suggests revisions. Finance, build a budget analyst persona that spots overspending and recommends cuts. The possibilities are endless, and because you're uploading your own documents, the AI stays accurate. It can't hallucinate facts, it can't make up data, everything comes from your sources. Let me show you this table that breaks down the 3 sample personas. Product manager is best for ruthless insights and needs about 800 characters minimum to define the structure. Middle school teacher is perfect for kid-friendly explanations with around 700 characters plus quiz rules. Scientific researcher is ideal for objective analysis with about 900 characters for proper formality. All of these fit comfortably in the new 10,000 character limit, so you can go way more detailed if you want. Now, let me give you some real-world use cases. If you're a content creator, build a video script reviewer where you upload your outlines and ask the AI to critique structure, pacing, and hooks. If you're a student, create an exam prep tutor where you upload your textbooks and get custom quizzes and study guides. If you're a business professional, make a contradiction finder where you upload reports from different departments and let the AI spot inconsistencies. This tool pairs with Gemini 3, that's Google's latest AI model, so you're getting cutting-edge performance for free. Now, here's a pro tip: don't use vague queries. The more specific your question, the better the response. Instead of asking to tell me about this document, ask what are the 3 main contradictions in the methodology section. 4 specifics and get better outputs. Another tip is to copy and paste the exact prompts Google shared. I'll link them in the description. Start with those, test them, see how they work, then adapt them for your needs. Change the tone, adjust the format, add your own constraints and make it yours. And here's the biggest mistake people make. They forget to upload sources first. NotebookLM needs documents to ground its responses. If you just chat without sources, you're wasting the main feature. Always upload first, then customize your persona, then start asking questions. That's the workflow. Now let's talk about why this matters. Most AI tools are generic. ChatGPT gives you generic responses. Claude gives you generic responses. They try to be everything to everyone. NotebookLM is different. It's an AI that becomes exactly what you need based on your documents, based on your instructions, based on your goals. It's personalized AI without the personalization tax. And with this 10,000 character limit, you can get incredibly specific. The old limit let you say, act like a teacher. The new limit lets you say, act like a middle school science teacher who uses pop culture references, breaks concepts into 3-step processes, and ends every explanation with a quiz question that reinforces the core concept. See the difference? The old version was a suggestion. The new version is a complete persona with style, with structure, with rules. That's what 10,000 characters unlocks. Real customization, real expertise, real value. And again, this is free. Google isn't charging for this. They're just giving it away. Google says here, take it, no credit card required. That's insane. Now, here's what you need to do right now. Go to notebooklm.google.com and create an account if you don't have one. Upload a document you work with regularly. Could be a report, a research paper, a client brief, whatever. And then go to the chat settings, click the gear icon, find the custom prompt field, and paste one of those sample prompts I showed you. Product manager, teacher, researcher, pick one, test it, and ask a question about your document. See what happens. You're going to be blown away because you're going to get expert level insights from a free tool in about 2 minutes. And once you see how it works, start customizing, build your own personas, create an SEO expert, a legal advisor, a data analyst, whatever you need. The 10,000 character limit gives you room to be creative, to be specific, to build something actually useful. This isn't hype. This is a legitimate game changer, especially for people who work with lots of documents. Researchers, students, business professionals, content creators, anyone who needs to extract insights from text. NotebookLM just became your secret weapon, and with this update, it went from good to incredible. Try NotebookLM with this new update. The link is in the description, so is the link to those sample prompts. Download them, test them, customize them, and comment below with what persona you create.